Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar did attempt to try and restore its bullish bias overnight, however did struggle towards the top side with the resistance now capping around 85 and firmer above at 74.2025. In light of the current pattern, I still expect to see further weakness, but we may find in the short term the support coming in at 73.0515 holding. However, if breached, would be seen as a significant move to the downside and look towards a target of 71.60 to 71.80. Well, with the US dollar still maintaining its bullish bias, the market is actually looking still weak for the euro. Now looking towards the support of 108.1525, I expect to see further pressure and could eventually expose the move towards the 107.3045. Any advances on the day, I do expect to see resistance coming in now at 109.15 to 109.25. Well, the dollar yen bulls remain and continue to pressure the upside with the help of the dollar strength coming back overnight. Now looks towards a minor resistance of 15 and possibly higher towards 114.95 to 115.20, but I still heed caution. Although this is a strong uptrend and the ADX is supporting the move, but it is overheating, we are still overbought. So we could see a rejection from there and look back towards immediate support coming in now at 113.60 or lower towards 112.60-65. And I still expect to see some kind of consolidation before the market can actually rally on. So we still need to unwind these overbought indicators before looking up towards 115 or even up towards 117 now. Well, the sterling backs away from the top side. As you can see, it did reject that resistance of 129.85 overnight. With the Bank of England decision likely to hold its rates tonight at 9 PM Sydney time, should see the sterling still remain weak, with the rates holding around 0.25. So, in the meantime, pressure will remain on the downside, and I see an immediate support coming in at 128.90 to 05. A break beneath there will give further exposure to 127.45.60 as a potential target. And you can see here, from the divergence as the market's trying to go up, this MACD is still supportive to a further decline. Well, gold still pressures the downside and now looks towards support that comes in at 1,214 to 16. I still heed caution due to the fact we are oversold, and I could expect to see a snap to the upside and bring in a target of 12.24.26 or even as high as up to 32 to 38. Now, a break up beneath 14 would, on the other hand, see further risk to the downside and bring in a target of 1,208 and reassess from there. And to wrap up with silver, like gold, the market is pressuring the downside but still holding above that $16 handle. In light of the pattern, I still heed caution for those looking to be bearish, as I expect to see a snap to the upside and currently see a move from $16.17, where we are at the moment, to 21, and rally on towards 16.70 with the minor resistance coming in at 35. So just be a little bit cautious. Beneath $16, I would actually hold off from any view and reassess to see where the market will actually go from the break. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and please look out for the intraday report, and I hope you have a great day ahead.